Want your customers to upload their images or files before checkout, and have those files automatically linked to their orders in your Shopify dashboard. This will help if you sell custom products like t-shirts, prints, mugs, or anything personalized. Let me show you how to set that up in just a couple of minutes. First, you need to install the UploadMate app from the Shopify App Store. I have added the link in the description, or you can just search for UploadMate directly on the App Store. After install the app, you need to enable the app embed in your Shopify theme. Click the Enable App button on your screen. This will open the Shopify theme editor. In the editor, you'll see a message at the bottom that says UploadMate activated. Next, click the Save button to save your changes. If the Save button isn't clickable yet, please wait for the editor to fully load. Once saved, close the theme editor and return to the app. You will now see a confirmation message. App enabled successfully. Now, let's create your first option group. An option group is simply a set of upload or text fields that appear on your product pages. Click the Next button to start. Here you can configure your option group. Start by entering a group name. This name is just for you to identify it inside the app. It won't appear on your storefront. Next, choose your product targeting. This decides which products will show your upload or text fields. You can apply it to all products or select specific products. Then set up your upload field details, field name, placeholder text, allowed file quantity, allowed file types, and field style. You can click Add another field to include more upload or text fields and customize each one. By default, your upload fields appear above the Add to Cart button. If you want to change their position, you can do that by enabling the app block in your theme. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now it's time to test it in your store. Go to one of the targeted product pages. You will see the upload or text fields you created. Try uploading a file or entering some text. Then continue to check out to confirm it works perfectly. To view and download uploaded files, go to the Order Details page in your Shopify admin. There you'll find links to each uploaded file. Just click a link to download the file. And that's it, you just added file or image uploads to your Shopify store in minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or contact me on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.